Thank you for watching my video. I'm AYANA. Today, I will make karaage, Japanese fried chicken. I think it's very popular not only Japan, but also other countries. And it's served at Japanese home and lunch boxes, restaurant and izakaya. And there are some tips of making it delicious. So I want to share it in this video. So let's get started. Okay, I want to introduce the ingredients for karaage, our chicken thigh. We marinate the chicken, ginger, grated ginger and garlic, and soy sauce, mirin, it's sweet sake, and sake, cooking alcohol. This is a butter to coat the chicken. It's powder that mixed rice flour and potato starch. So I want the karaage, which is gluten-free, so I don't use their flour. And to deep frying, I use this oil. So this is rice brown oil. In Japan, it's very popular to use salad oil, vegetable oil to deep frying. But I worry about this salad oil, which includes the trans fatty acid. So I choose it. Finally, I want to share. It's important to the ingredients. When you served the karaage, depending on your taste, but I recommend the cut lemon slices. It's very refreshing when you eat karaage. So let's start. So we squeeze the lemon on the chicken, fried chicken, and almost of Japanese are usually at izakaya. We ask other people to ask, can I squeeze the lemon? So depend on the taste. So yes, it's our habit. Okay, remove the excess fat and strings. Okay, after that, I stab the skin with fork. It can help to soak the seasoning well. And I get the ginger and wrap the cut section of ginger against chicken like this. I can remove the smell of chicken by adding the rich aroma of ginger. Okay, let's cut the chicken into bite sizes. It's point to cut our bigger size. You can make the fried chicken juicy. First, I cut in half. Like this size is good, and cut it evenly. Okay, to make the sauce to marinate, I grate the ginger, and I don't remove the skin of ginger because there are rich flavor between skin and ginger. Also, it has some nutrients, so I don't remove it. I think the karaage is a good flavor of good aroma of ginger and garlic. So depending on your taste, but so it's important ingredient. Okay, next grate the garlic. Okay, let's prepare the sauce. I prepare a bowl and this plastic bag with zipper. It's very useful to marinate the chicken. I set a plastic wrap in this. Soy sauce, mirin, sake, and grated garlic and ginger. Mix it all. Then add the chicken. Okay, let it sit for 30 minutes to marinate well. Japanese fried chicken is very delicious because of outside is crispy and inside is juicy. So to make it delicious, it's point to not overcook the chicken. And I separate deep frying 2 times. And first I cook the chicken inside of chicken gently, and then I use residual heat And finally, deep fry the chicken on high heat. It leads to crispy outside but very juicy inside. So let's get started. Okay, when you check the heat level, so use our chopstick, bamboo chopstick, and wet it. Then wipe off the water. Okay, check the heat level. This is our low heat, and here a little later, the bubbles comes out from the tip of chopstick. So it's ready to deep fry. Okay, let's coat the chicken with the mixed powder. Then get rid of the excess powder. There are other way, which is putting this powder to use the sauce, but it is likely to increase the powder. So I want to reduce the mixed powder as possible as I can. So I do this. Okay, deep fry the chicken. First, spread the skin like this and put Okay, I take the chicken. It's point to get rid of excess oil on the pot and here. The chicken is like this, a little crispy and golden, a light brown. Get rid of the butter. Okay, next chicken. Okay, I deep fry the chicken, which fried first, and I set the heat level is high, so deep fry it to be crispy. Okay, the state of our oil is like this. Let's check that karaage. Wow, nice. It's golden brown. Okay, so drain the oil. It's a nice color. Add the lemon. So, それではいただきます。I squeeze the lemon over the chicken. The chicken is very juicy and crispy, so delicious. And ginger is good flavor, good aroma. The smell of chicken is nothing, so it's delicious. I put it mayonnaise. Mayonnaise goes well with the fried chicken. I made the fried chicken several times, and when I cook first, it's dry because I overcooked the chicken. But this way is you can keep the moisture of chicken, so it's very juicy and crispy. I think it's our point to at first deep fry on low heat and finally add deep fry on high heat. So it's different. So it's more delicious than when I cook. You can make the fried chicken easily at home, but I shared the point of our fried chicken today, and my recipe is on the description boxes, so please check it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.